You're gonna push yourself this time? Let's see it. Here we are enjoying the great blizzard of January 2016. We'll be snowed in for weeks, as you can see. Alright. Go, Ellie, go! Whee! Yay! You want to do it again and I'll push you? I bet if I push you, we could make you go faster. You want me to push you?
I want you to do it.
You want me to do it? Okay. By myself?
I want to do it with you.
Oh, you want to go together? Okay. Well, turn it around.
I'm going to be right in front.
Okay, you be the driver. I'll be the muscle in the back. Sit. All tangled up. Here, give me the string. Give me the string. Okay.
I'm going to do this.
Okay. We don't need the string right now, Ellie.
You're going to be right behind me, Dad.
Okay, sit. All right. Ready? Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. All right. You set?
Yep.
Okay, here I come.
And
Hang on. Whoa. Okay. All right. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, that was insane.
Let's do it in slow motion.
Slow motion sledding.
Uh-huh.
Okay. How are we gonna do that? You don't know? Okay. We'll work out the details later. Good job, Ellie.
Dad.
That was fun, huh?